Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back to our histogram. So alright, we just created this, and we know how to make our bins, we know how to make our tick marks, we know how to make a pretty awesome graph. Well, that tells us, well, what does it tell us? We don't have any labels here, so let's learn how to label. Alright, it lives right inside our pyplot, and we've aliased it to PLT. Now, one important thing if you're new here, I just said a lot of stuff: Matplotlib, Pyplot, and an alias. So what we do here is each video, micro videos, are explicitly about a certain topic. We're focusing on labels. So if there is anything you're not understanding, everything is searchable here. So right here we're going to do Y label, and check this out, X label. So it is this simple. So we go and we do, what I label these? So this is in the pyplot area. So, and it's literally, so here, we know how to do this. Help pyplot.x label. Boom. Has to be a string. Okay. Awesome. We just learned that, so it has to be a string. X label. What'd I say? Is that for X? Yeah. Age of student. And Y label number of, wow. So alright, let's see if I did it right. So okay, age of student X, and number of student Y. That's simple. That awesome, that simple. So now we have a graph that actually begins to tell us information. So as always, thanks for watching. If this is the type of video you like it, why don't you give me a thumbs up for me so I get some good information, and even better information, any comments, questions, video requests, and then also if we have videos coming out every single day, so don't forget to click that subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. I don't want you missing anything. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.